With two authorities, Imam Muslim has reported from Yazid bin Hurmuz that Najada bin Amir wrote a letter to Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. When Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu read that letter and wrote its reply, I was present there. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if I had not this consideration that he would indulge in some nasty acts, I would not have given him the reply. Then Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu wrote to him, You have asked me about the Zawil Qurba, whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has mentioned in the Quran. Our opinion in this connection is that we are those kins of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But our people have negated it. You have asked that when the orphanhood of an orphan expires, when a child reaches the marriageable stage and he starts doing rational things, he will be given his property and his orphanhood will come to an end. And you have asked whether Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would kill any of the polytheists' children. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam never killed any of the polytheists' children. So you must not kill any of their children until you have got the knowledge as Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam had about that child whom he killed. You have asked whether there is a fixed share in booty for a woman and a slave if they participate in a war. There is no fixed share for them. However, they can be granted a gift out of the spoils. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4665.